What's going on YouTube? It's Tyler, aka Chill. Alright, well, let me restart that.
Get your finger out of the way.
It's not in the way, trust me. I can see it on the
Alright.
LCD.
And what's going on YouTube? It's Tyler, aka Tilly TY, back with another challenge video today. Today we're going to be doing the Rubik's Cube challenge. My brother has challenged me to solve this Rubik's Cube in under 3 minutes, or else I get the ultimate punishment. I get a nice shot of pickle juice. And for those of you who don't know, which is probably everybody, I detest pickles with every fiber of my being. But if I'm able to solve this Rubik's Cube in 3 minutes or under, just Josh here behind the camera is gonna have to take this shot, and he hates pickles even more than I do. So, without further ado, let's just get right into this. Pickle juice, shot glass. Ooh, that's a big boy. I mean, I don't mind pickles like on a burger or like a sandwich, but by themselves in the juice, just straight juice, I ain't about that. Alright, we got the Rubik's Cube, we got the timer queued up here.
Alright.
You filming?
Yeah.
Alright, so as I mentioned before, pickle juice. We're using that old trusty shot glass, and if you saw the last challenge, last time I took a shot out of this, it did not go well. Pickle. Oh, it's nasty. This might be Gatorade, right? Does it taste like? It probably tastes like lemon lime Gatorade. What? No, it doesn't. Alright, so we have the Rubik's Cube completely scrambled up, and we got a timer here that I will let Josh hold on to until I get it loaded up. Okay, big timer, reset. I'll let Josh hold on to that, and when he says go, I'll start. And if you made it this far into the video, go ahead and leave a like on it. If you like this content, subscribe, share it, and leave me a comment if you'd like me to film some lessons on how to solve this, because I'd be willing to try that. I'm not sure how good of a teacher I am, but I'm always willing to give it a go. Alright, no more procrastinating. Let me know when the timer has started, and I will go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I can't. I'm gonna have to get it re-scrambled. I can't do nothing with it.
Why?
Because I don't know how to fix it. I'm not that good at the Rubik's Cube yet.
You should be recording all that.
I am.
Still?
Yes.
I'll put it in. You know what?
You still got time to fix it.
Since it got messed up,
What do you mean it got messed up?
Well, it didn't get messed up, but it does something.
I made it too hard for you to fix?
No, you made it impossible for me to fix because I don't know how to get around when stuff like this happens. I'm not that good at it yet. I just relearned it just yesterday.
You're the one that said you can get it done in under 3 minutes.
But you don't understand. I can't progress it from where it's at.
Well, then undo it and fix it.
I need you to undo it because you say I cheat when I do it.
What do you mean you can't fix it?
I'm a jackwagon, dude.
So I'm just gonna mess it up more and then you're gonna fix it?
We're gonna restart, and I gotta take a penalty shot because it messed up.
I don't understand how it's messed up when I already messed it up.
He doesn't get it, does he? Is he like cuckoo for Cocoa
It's messed
Puffs?
up. Okay. I messed it up. Fix it.
Dude, you didn't even. The whole front side's still done. You didn't even
I'm
do
helping
anything.
you.
You didn't even do anything
But
to
I'm
it.
helping you fix it.
Okay, let me see it. Freaking fix it. I don't know how to fix it.
I don't know how to mess it up.
That's a real jackwagon thing. He grew up in the 80s, doesn't know how to play with the Rubik's Cube.
I'm messing up. You messed it up.
I messed it up.
Yeah, I have to mess it up for you to fix it?
Yes,
It's already messed up.
it's freaking messed up, so I
It's
have to
already
restart.
messed up.
That's the point.
Yes, so I have to mess it up more for you to fix it?
I have to restart, yes.
That don't make any sense.
Why is he so difficult?
I don't understand if I'm messing it up and you didn't fix it. It's still messed up.
I'm done with him, dude. I'm gonna take a shot
You didn't fix it.
because
It was still messed up when you couldn't fix it.
it messed up. Technically, there was probably a fix to it, but I'm not that good at it yet, so I'm gonna take half.
Do all of it, fuck it.
Cut it.
Cut it.
Yeah, I filmed it.
Cut the camera, dude.
No, that's funny.
Cut.
Yeah, right there.
Freaking cut it.
That's
Alright.
Well, as you can see, my first run was unsuccessful. Josh dropped a big ol' F-bomb in my video, which I specifically asked him not to do. So it freaked me out. I backwashed my shot back into the glass. And no, I did not drink it. And I'm not going to drink this one. If I lose the challenge, I'll take a double shot. So, here's the timer. Here's the Rubik's Cube. On Josh's mark, I will attempt this again.
3, 2, 1, go.
Same.
2 minutes. 2 minutes now.
It doesn't turn, it's like half broken.
Keep going. Keep going.
He just made me set the thing down.
Keep going. That's almost 3 minutes anyway.
Babe, take 3.
God dang it.
Gosh darn it. What in tarnation was that?
I'm very upset. My arm hurts.
Oh,
Alright.
Okay, this is attempt number 3. Hopefully we have no distractions, no breaking of wind, and same thing as before. Here's the timer. And on your mark, I will be going.
3, 2, 1, go.